Is your iPhone contact poster suddenly not showing after the iOS 26 update? Let's fix it in under 60 seconds. First, make sure you're actually using a contact poster. Open the Contacts app and tap your own card at the top. Tap Contact Photo and Poster. Check that Show on Phone is turned on and that a poster style is selected. If you made changes, tap Done and then Continue or Always Use to confirm. This locks in your contact poster. Now test it. Ask a friend to call you or call yourself from another phone and check if the poster appears full screen. If you still don't see it, don't worry. Next, we'll check the system settings that can secretly block contact posters. Open Settings, scroll to Phone, and tap it. Make sure Contact Posters is turned on here as well. If you use iMessage, go back to Settings, tap Messages, and confirm name and photo sharing is turned on and set to Contacts Only or Everyone. Next, check that both phones are on iOS 26 or later, and that your Apple IDs and contact cards are saved correctly on each device. Still not working? Try restarting both iPhones. A simple reboot often refreshes contact posters and call screens. As a last resort, open the contact, turn off Show My Caller poster for that contact, save, then turn it back on and save again. Once your settings match, contact posters should show again on incoming calls. Save this video so you can redo these steps after any future iOS updates.